Für den PrintoLUX Stone werden
Two templates are included for the PrintoLUX Stone. A standard universal template for PrintoLUX label sheets, which is milled on one side for material thickness of up to 1 mm, and on the other for material thickness of up to 2 mm. A special template is also contained in the housing with which you can print all common formats for the control cabinet. You can simply use the standard labels made of polycarbonate or polyamide from the manufacturers Merplastic, Phoenix Contact, Mueller, etc. Simply insert these here, and they can then be easily printed via BarTender.
hier ein und können dann ganz einfach über BarTender bedruckt werden.
The BarTender templates for these labels can also be found on the PrintoLUX software stick, in the third-party supplier folder. Simply place the prepared labels or label sheets at the 0 point on the table and with a double arrow key on the printer, move the printing table backwards to the standby position, and that's it.
Das war's auch schon.